everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I recently got a package from ALMAY that I've been waiting well over a week for, and I am so excited to be sharing it with you guys. And I'm also really excited to be partnering up with them. So for today's video, it is just going to be a small ALMAY lippy haul, and I'm also going to be giving my first impressions, and as always, they will be linked down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's just get started. So ALMAY was kind enough to send me 2 of their new Lip Vibe lipsticks, as well as 2 of their Goddess glosses, and a pack of makeup wipes. These are just the ALMAY Gentle Oil-Free So Basic Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, and they have aloe, cucumber, and green tea in them, and there are 25 in here. For the Lip Vibe lipsticks, there are 24 different shades to choose from, and they all have different finishes. They have matte finishes, cream finishes, and topper finishes. The 2 I have are matte and cream ones, and I did go ahead and swatch these so you guys can see them. The 2 lipsticks I have are in the shades 170 Treat Yourself, and I also have the shade 230 Love Yourself. Treat Yourself is a matte finish and Love Yourself is a cream finish. The Treat Yourself shade is just a bit deeper than a Barbie pink, and then this is the Love Yourself shade, which is a true red. I absolutely love the packaging. I think it is so cute, and my favorite part is that in the top there are windows so you can actually see what the color is without having to open the actual tube. Unlike a plastic normal lipstick tube, they are like a papery cardboard, but they are in fact durable, and they just have like a tropical pattern on them, and they say hashtag lip vibes on them. And I will go ahead and show you guys what they look like on your lips. So this is just what the color Treat Yourself looks like. I absolutely love it. It is a nice spring pink color. And then this is the shade Love Yourself, and this is one that I'm going to be wearing all the time. It is a true red. One thing I can say is that I think these would look 10 times better if you use a lip liner, but right now I don't have matching lip liners, so I just had to go and put them on. Moving on to the Goddess glosses. These are just lip glosses, and in the collection there are 12 different shades, and they all have pomegranate, grape, and raspberry oils in them. And this is their prismatic line, so all the colors are holographic, which I absolutely love. And again, I do just have 2 of them. The first one I have is in the shade 930 Dreamy, and it is just right here. It is just a nice sheer pink, and it does have flecks of purple and blue glitters. And I think that the Treat Yourself lipstick and Dreamy lip gloss look absolutely amazing together. This is just what it looks like on your lips. This is what the Dreamy lip gloss looks like on its own. I love the blue and purple flecks that it has in it. It just gives you a nice little bit of a pop of color while staying pretty natural. And then my all-time new favorite lip gloss is in the shade 700 Flame. I just think this is such a gorgeous color. It has so many different flex tones in it while being a pinky red color. This is what it looks like on its own, and I think this pairs perfectly with the Love Yourself lipstick, and this is what they look like together. Both of these glosses are just a nice added touch, and you can pretty much put them with any lipstick you wanted to, and you can also wear them on their own, which I absolutely love. Not to mention, I love the packaging. It has a holographic top and then the clear tube, so you can actually see the actual color inside of it. As for my first impressions, I absolutely love the way the lipsticks go on. They are so easy to apply. They are both really creamy, and they don't have that clumpy feeling that some lipsticks have to them. I can't stand when lipsticks are like clumpy and make your lips dry. These don't do that, which I absolutely love. And as for my first impressions for the lip glosses, I absolutely love them. They smell amazing, and they aren't sticky. If you've been watching me for a while, you know my #1 pet peeve with lip glosses is that they're always sticky. Let me tell you, these are not sticky whatsoever, and they go on literally like butter. I was gonna wait for the makeup wipes, but I'm not. We're gonna do my first impressions now, because I need to get the swatches off because it's transferring all over my bedding. They smell good. They aren't overly saturated, which is nice. However, I do really like when makeup wipe packagings have like the plastic piece that you use to open and close it. This one just has the sticker, but we're gonna see how well these work. So I have all these swatches. I am really impressed. Oh my god. Normally I'd have to be really harsh with getting lipsticks and swatches off. I am really impressed. So that is just my small ALMAY haul. Big shout out to them for sending these to me. If you guys would like to see these in a tutorial in the future, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, because I can definitely do that for you guys. If you guys like when I do these mini hauls and first impressions, let me know. And if there's any products you specifically would like to see a first impressions on, let me know what it is in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!